How to fix My Drama app not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If your My Drama app isn't working, it is not opening, crashing, or having loading issues, then you're in the right place. So let's go ahead and fix that. First things first, make sure that you check your internet connection first on whichever device you are using. Try switching between mobile data or Wi-Fi networks, and try opening up any other application or website to confirm the connectivity. Slow or unstable internet is one of the most common reasons apps don't load, so make sure you have a strong one. The next thing to do is to restart the My Drama app. After you open up your My Drama app, drag up from the bottom of the screen and bring up this app switcher. Now push upwards in the app card and release in order to force close the application. Once you force close the app, open it again after a few seconds. This will help clear out temporary glitches in the app. If the problem still persists, then you can try restarting your device. Turn off your phone or your tablet and wait for about 30 seconds and turn it back on. This will refresh your system and often fix hidden issues. Now you can launch open the My Drama app and check if that works. Another thing you can try out is to clear your app cache. Simply go open up the Settings app from your Android device, and inside the Settings menu, go to the bottom and click on Apps. After you open up the Apps tab, go ahead and tap on My Drama from the list. Just tap on it, and then in the App Info section, tap on Clear Data at the bottom right, and in the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Click OK in the pop-up, and you have successfully cleared the app cache for My Drama application. Clearing the app cache will remove temporary files that might be causing the problems. So that is how you can easily get your My Drama application working again. Start simple and work your way down. You'll likely fix it in no time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.